Sogba sogba.
I never had that one. Sogba
Sogba sogba. And korodo. You know what sogba means, right? Igba is calabash.
Oh, the thing.
Yeah, it's smooth, right? The one that you use in making the shaker.
Yeah.
The shaker. And korodo is smooth. So a bald-headed man, they call him Adori Sogba Sogba Okoya Lamala Korodo.
Okay.
Right?
Korodo is
Bald head, bald thing, or a bowl, cauldron, you know.
Okay.
Now, Sogba Sogba is everything is clear, no hair, right?
Clear. Right.
Yeah, which means there's no hair on the head. Mofa, I shaved it. It's not as effective as I said. Mofa Korodo. Mofa Korodo, that means no hair on that person. I shaved him completely, put some Vaseline on the head, and now it's shining.
I think it's
When it's shiny like that, and then he puts it to the sun and and everyone says, "Oh my God, this guy's head is shining." That's where we use this adjective and say, "Adore Sogba Sogba," right? Language for literature. That's when they say, "Adore Sogba Sogba." The guy's head is smooth and shiny, like the calabash, right? And then to put the funny part in there, they say Okoyana Mala, the husband of the Amala seller, and then you know the Amala is also round and smooth, you know. So they use that to describe somebody like that. Korodo or Kodoro, either one. Pata pata, if I say pata, that's halfway, right? Only once, I said it once. So if I say pata, I don't need to say anymore. If I say pata pata, that means I'll double check that thing again and again and again, and it's now clear that there's nothing in there, right? And now Porongoro puts finality to the whole thing, which means there's no way anybody else will go there and see anything in there, right? So that's the Porongodo. That's one thing about Yoruba is like, if you say, they carried her in that way into the ambulance. Yes, question?
Oh, no, sorry.
Okay. So, or it will not be proper to be carrying her and say, we are carrying her digba into the,
Okay.
you know, that would not be.
I was thinking
Nice.
like you're carrying her and you're saying hurry, hurry, but it's not that. It's after you carry her.
Right.
The person talking about it was saying digba digba.
The entire process will be that.
Yeah. Okay.
Because the entire process is not like we put her on a wheelchair and then we roll her. That's easy, and there's no confusion in that one because they were not rushing. But when they say digba, they are actually rushing because they're equally afraid about the situation, and they don't know what's going to happen, so they have to be in a hurry. Every minute counts. That's why they use that digba adjective. Yes. Using patapata as well. You know, patapata no mi poro na opolopo ojo ni poro ogbele. You are telling them that, you know, this kind of event happens for a reason. And because it happens, so what you are saying, you are putting affirmation on it that it should happen as well, because that happened. Just like I described the other day that the sun comes out and touches the morning dew, and it clears away. The same thing, you want to clear a problem, same way. When you get to that level, you know, where you start to use words, powerful words, to break a chain, break a link, or to make something happen, right? When the conga player is going to end his solo, is playing his solo, right? buy the akara after it's been removed from the hot oil, right? And the process of the boiling oil, when you see the bubbles in there, is called unkpofolo. And because of the shape of the mouth, you know that it's actually small. Because if it's big, I would say bang bang, like that. And that means it's big. When I say konkolo, tiny, small. Even the ant, we say kokoro, small mouth as well, right? Kékeré, small child, or small. Ọmọ kékeré, small child. Then àgbàlagbà kékeré is a big man or elderly person, but is this tall, right? And then korodo. So when you hear those words, just know that it's an addition. They added the word to give it flavor, to give the sentence some flavor, and to make it more effective, to sound more effective.
Like that?
Yes, like that. Very good. Okay.
And that is very true of you, right?
Yeah.
You have that food.
No.
And this is not straight Yoruba, but I'm word for word.
Right.
So this will go to mo, I, ba, lórí, èmi, bírèkì, láti, da, da. Ọkọ̀ is not there, but that's what you are referring to, right? Ọkọ̀, car, right? Or truck. Dúró, stop. Borongodo, complete. All right? Correct writing will be mo gbá ẹsẹ̀, mọ́ bírèkì, láti dá ọkọ̀ dúró. Sometimes you put ọkọ̀ náà dúró because you are narrating, right? Borongodo. Now, let me now show you how it works with the patapata. ṣùgbọ́n ọkọ̀ náà kò dúró pátápátá. Because when you slam the brakes, it will still be moving forward a little bit until it comes to final stop. Ṣùgbọ́n ọkọ̀ náà kò dúró pátápátá. Now let's say this so that we get used to it. Mo gbá lórí èmi bírèkì láti dá ọkọ̀ dúró porongodo. This is a mess. This is a mess in Yoruba, but this is correct translation of word for word, right? But how do you now translate it correctly in English? This is it. Mo gbá ẹsẹ̀ mọ́ bírèkì is describing the foot. Gbá, slam, hit. Mọ́ bírèkì láti dá, so that I could stop. Dá ọkọ̀, car or truck. Now, that one. Dúró, stop. Full stop, right? Completely. Then I extended it like I'm writing a book. Ṣùgbọ́n, but, ọkọ̀, the vehicle or car, right? That one, this one will go here, this one will go here. You see how that works? Sweep back. Ko, did not stop. Pátápátá. Did not stop. That's where you stop. All right. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for when you were telling me about the difference between the patapata and korongodo. Totally will be like in the room and then we.
Oh, okay.
Right. That makes sense. That's the right word